The night sky changes with the seasons, but the stars aren't migrating across the universe. Take the Big Dipper. Its evening position drastically shifts from summer to winter. Here's why. You only see stars from the dark half of Earth, but Earth travels in a massive counterclockwise circle around the Sun, its orbit. Since Earth spins completely around every 24 hours, shouldn't we see every star in the sky every night? We don't, because the sun's glare completely blocks the inner view. Your night sky is strictly a window pointing outward into deep space. In summer, that outward window points at one specific star group. Fast forward 3 months, Earth moves 1/4 of the way, and your night window now faces a totally different quadrant. It takes a full year of driving to sweep 360 degrees and finally bring those summer stars back into view. So what about that specific Big Dipper constellation we were trying to find earlier? It hasn't moved an inch. Your night sky just finished driving halfway around the sun.